Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to be talking about Hedra AI. I'm going to share with you all the new tools and show you how to make a talking avatar, just like me. So let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is head over to hedra.com. You want to sign in, and you get, from the get-go, you get 5 videos a day, and let's see what else you get. If you upgrade, you get $10 a month. You get 20 minutes of videos per month. $50 a month gets you 110 minutes of video per month, and then the enterprise gets you custom maximum videos. So let's go over here to create. So what you to create the avatar, you want to click on stylize, and then you can add an image to your left here, or you can take a photo. Since I'm using my camera to record, I'm gonna not be able to take a photo right now, but I'll upload an image that I already used. And here's the image that I used for the intro video that you saw. And now if you'll notice to your left here, there's a infinite scroll. So you got like man, tarot, woman, bobblehead, anime, 80s, K-pop, animation, 3D. That's what I used on this one. Flat 2D, Renaissance, caricature, sculpture, coconut, and it starts over. So I'm going to go with bobblehead, and then you just wherever it lands, and then just click apply style. It took maybe about 45 seconds to a minute. Okay, so now you can click here and download it, or it gives you an option to create audio from this. But it gives you songs. I'm not sure what these songs are, if they generate the songs or if they're copyrighted songs. So I'm not going to play it, but it does give you some songs. So now you can go to the full editor. We're going to do away with that. I'm going to upload a video or image. Upload the bobblehead version of myself. Now you can either talk into the microphone, or you can drop in a audio file too. You can also generate audio if you want to say something. Let's see here. And down here you can pick a voice. So, and you can, I think you can test the voice too. Oh yeah, right here to the right, you can play it.
God has given you one face, and you make yourself another.
Do they sound familiar? Yes, they probably should.
We make our own fortunes, and we call them fate.
So
we make our own fortunes, and we call them fate.
Let's try one more just so you guys can hear.
It is not so important to know everything as to appreciate what we learn.
Okay, so now you can click generate here, and it will say that. Let's just do that real quick. And if you'll notice here, estimated cost minus 1 minute. So I've not had them show me how many minutes I've used. So I'm not sure if that's still where it's still in beta. Let's go ahead and generate that. So what you're going to see here is where I typed in the script, chose a voice, and now the character is going to say it. So let's click play.
Hello world.
My internet glitched. So let's try it again.
Hello world.
There you go. And the whole character moved a little bit. So you could put on a whole sentence here if you wanted to, or, like I said, or a song, or you can actually record your own voice, import audio. You click start recording. Hello, I'm recording this voice live. You are seeing me live in action. Okay. And now generate video again. Now, if you'll just click play. Hello, I'm recording this voice live. You are seeing me live in action. And there you go. You can also import your audio track. Click on here and find something audio. For instance, this is a song. Now, it doesn't matter. Since it's in the free version, it will only give you 30 seconds of the song. So what I would recommend, if you have like this song, for instance, 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Say you wanted to make a whole music video. I would just drop it down to 30 seconds here. And then I would just do it in 30-second increments. And I'll show you how to generate that with this song, with this particular character. Then I'll show you some other character creations you can do. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that took a couple minutes. And you can see here it still says the estimated cost is minus 1 minute. So I'm not really sure what that's going on, but I know that they will enforce that eventually. So this is a song that I did on Udio about old timers tell if you were at war or if you were in jail, or if you're just at work and guys giving each other a hard time about Jody Grinder at home taking care of your old lady. So this was a song I did with Udio. So you're just going to hear 30 seconds of the snippet.
When I'm off to work, he sneaks right in. Eyes on my girl, he's got that grin. No job, no plans, but the women farm. They fill his day around the clock. I leave the front, he takes the back. While I'm out trying, he's laying back.
Okay, there you go. And I left the chorus as a surprise. Ooh. Anyway, so that's how you use the animated character. I did really enjoy how he was kind of dancing back and forth. If you'll look at some of the other characters that I did, let's do here. I don't remember what this guy was singing, but I don't think he didn't dance back and forth.
Hello.
He just talked. This guy did the Jody Grinder song too. He's just looking all smug.
When I'm off to work, he sneaks right in. Eyes on my girl, he's got that grin. No job, no plans, but the women farm. They fill his day around the clock. I leave the front, he takes the back. While I'm out trying, he's laying back.
Okie dokie. So here you can see he definitely had a little bit more body movement, which is really cool. And I think that that's going to be coming down the pipeline for Hedra. And I think that's going to be really awesome. I actually can't wait to be able to animate it with that. Because right now you could totally make a video with just this, especially if you were doing the $50 a month where you got 4 minutes, I think. Well, you can make a video if you just did it in snippets. But I'm just saying, like, you could make a whole one video and then just, it'd be easier to cut it that way. Okay, so now moving on. Here you can also upload just an image. So if I wanted it to be this guy singing it again, or that character that's really bad of me, you can upload that image. You can also stylize it, and you can make it, but I've not been able to actually keep the same character. So just add sunglasses. It's still a little glitchy here. Even if you use the manual seed, it may work for me this time. Yesterday the seed was a little weird. So let's try that and see what that does. Maybe I'll turn the AI strength down just a hair. Okay. We'll see if we can add sunglasses to myself here. It might be really cool. It's my lifelong dream to be cool. See, totally changed the guy. Doesn't even look like me. And then, of course, you can randomize the prompt, and you can randomize the seed. So the stylized, like I said, it doesn't seem to work very well for me. Somebody else might have better luck. If you're having better luck, leave a comment below. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I could be doing something wrong. Also, what you can do here is you can just create a character. So, for instance, sorry about all the movements. Let's just do a hot dog with a face. And let's just create a hot dog with face. Bam. Now, what's cool about the creators here is if you say, I don't know, if you just want to create a fish, okay, fish face. Sounds like an old garage band. If you create a fish versus uploading it, it's going to be already forward facing. So, because it knows that it needs that. So no matter what character you develop, it's going to be able to talk or sing for you. Because if they're sideways, they have a harder time singing and won't recognize a face. I'll try to do Pizza the Hut. I'm not. See here, let's do Pizza Face. That might actually be a good Pizza the Hut one. Because I wrote a song where Pizza the Hut. Okay, where Pizza the Hut, writes a ballad about him. It's his life. Let's see here, Pizza with a face inside. Hope I can spell. Okay. Yeah, so that's a little weird. I like it. So now, if you were going to add more music, what you could do is, and I'm going to give away the chorus now, you lucky dogs. I'm going to just move this up to 30, and then I'm going to move this over to 60. Boy, that education paid off, didn't it? So now, what you can do is you can generate the video again. And this will estimated cost is still minus 1 minute. Okay, so we are back, and that did take probably about 3.5 minutes. Now, they said there'd be days like this. Especially if you're on the free plan. We ain't got no complaints about it. Let's see what the chorus sounds like. It's the big reveal in the chorus. See if you guys like it.
Trying to steal in my girl, while hustle is taking my world. You're trying to steal in my girl, while hustle is taking my world. No respect for a hard-working man. Joey Grinder got his own plan. While I'm breaking sweat, he's breaking hearts. He knows every move, he's playing smart. The lay's dream by his terror.
Okay, so did you notice that the facial actions, it was really trying to get the expression of like the way the guy goes, Jody Grinder. So it's like the face kind of like was moving around, and it's not only done it here. Now this was really awkward because I think the lips and stuff were just really weird. But on this particular one down here, so now let's watch this one here. Now although this has some glitches on his forehead, and one of his eyes gets a little weird sometimes, but he does still do that same emotion like when he's singing, which is really cool. I wish I could fast forward this. I guess fine. Yeah, there's no way for me to edit in the video here. Yeah, I'll see if I just I'll edit it in the video.
I'm stealing my girl, while hustle is taking my world. You're trying to steal in my girl, while hustle is taking my world. No respect for a hard-working man. Joey Grinder got his own plan.
Yeah, so he's getting into it, like Jody Grinder. So I think that's really cool, and that's kind of intuitive of how humans act. So it's clear that they studied a whole bunch of humans, talking or singing, and were able to get those body movements. Really, really cool. So also down here below, you can also randomize a prompt, Gothic Vampire Hunter. And it was pretty fast to give you, the character prompts. And like I said, and I think some of them are just pretty generic. Like I've seen this one already before, the Goth Girl. You can do, let's see here, a car with a face, kind of like Cars maybe. Let's see what that does. Yeah, that's not terrifying. So anyway, so that's really cool. And once you generate a video, you have the option to download it here. And or once it gets into your library, you can always download it down here as well. And if you want to get back to where you were with a particular video, like for instance this one here, you can just click remix, and then it brings you back up here, and then you can download it right there, and then it just downloads and saves to your downloads. When you go to, if you're trying to make a music video, this would be also really great for dialogue. If you had people talking back and forth, super easy to use for that. But if you're trying to make a music video, something like I would like to do, it's a little bit more tricky. Let's open up CapCut, and I will show you. I haven't edited this video, okay? Now I'm going to put it to where the two videos meet. I think it's yeah, right here. Okay. So now watch the character's expression. Well, you'll just be able to see the glitch.
Tony trying to steal.
Right. Okay, so what it is it's where the video ends and starts back. And so, you know, you might be able to just go in here. I have not done it yet, but you might be able to just go in here and edit out the video part. I clicked Command B and removed the little small section that was still, but you can still see it's a little awkward. I probably could go into in real detail and frame by frame and try to really nail it to where his transition from here to here is fluid. Another thing I'm thinking you could do, maybe lessen the from 30 to a minute or 60 seconds. You could lessen it down to 29, and then pick maybe up at 30 in the song. That might help with a better transition. I'm not quite sure. I haven't experimented with that yet. But you know, if you wouldn't want a static shot video anyway. So if I was going to use this as a video, what I would do is just have different scenes pop in and out, and then just having him
They fill his day around the clock.
singing the parts, like showing him singing the parts here and there. So that's what I would do if I was going to use this as a music video. I definitely think it's totally capable of being used as a music video. So another thing you could do is cut out the head and mask it out, and then superimpose it onto a body that's maybe animated and sing it, and have it singing that way too. It's just different ideas you could do just to try to get a whole music video with using this tool here. That's all I've got. I think this is a very fun, very creative tool. I really enjoy using it, and the workflow on it's pretty seamless. You guys like it? Have you tried it before, or have you just your first time trying it? Leave a comment below if you like it. Share any videos that you've got. I'd love to see them. And thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I've not been posting as often. I've got a new job, and it's really eating a lot of my time. So I actually took off a little early so I can record this video today. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And I will try to get back into the groove of things, putting out multiple videos. So until next time, we'll see you.